Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to install colors in your new color palette. First, power down your module, then take your color, line up these pins with these pinholes here. Right now we're going to select channel 2. You can go into 1, 2, or 3, doesn't matter. Line up those, press, you're going to hear it click in, that's it. Now let's take a standard color also. Line up these guys, these posts to the holes, press, click in. They go in just as easily as the color CVs do. Does not matter which order you use. Of course, if you're running in series, you might want to rearrange your colors so that you can get different sounds, since one is then feeding into the next. For this setup, we're going to leave channel 1 open as just a VCA, channel 2 will be the fuzz low, channel 3 will be the louder than liftoff pulse. The only change we need to make is to set our jumpers. Channel 1 already is set to VCA, and here's a diagram on each one that tells you where to set that jumper. Channel 2, we have a color installed, so we're going to change that jumper, and then channel 3 also has the color installed. Channel 3 is a standard color, so there is no CV control access through the front, but the fuzz low is a color CV, and ZachVax has decided to give us control over the pulse width and impedance of the module. He set the impedance to control A and the pulse width on this one to control D. So via the knob or through external CV control, you can control the impedance or the pulse width. Keep in mind, if you have more than one color CV installed, they might actually share some controls, and you could get very interesting effects if control A is changing the impedance on a fuzz low and changing the frequency on, say, a high pass filter.